Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified P1 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath here is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-stroke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Brand new set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a dark linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, steering wheel controls, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual cam controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 35,912 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.